Welcome to JG Eats, brought to you by Stovetopyumyum. And today, it's all about that steak. Today we'll be using our original blend, the one that started it all. This one here is the one that's been in my wife's family for 3 generations, the Yum Yum. It's a smoky, not a mild smoky, not overpowering. What you want to do is, get it all on there. You can put as much as you want, less as you want on it. It doesn't really matter. There's no salt, no sugar, no gluten, no guilt. Pat it in there a little bit. Get it all in there. It's great on anything. Your favorite fish, chicken, ribs, steak, eggs, soups, pastas, you name it, you can put it on there. Put that in there a little bit more. While I'm waiting, I'm going to put some of that Rio juice in the pan. Get it all ready. What you want to do is go ahead and drop it in the pan. Oh, get a sizzle. Get a sizzle. That's what we want to hear. Now, folks, what you want to do, you want to each side 4 to 3 minutes. Like I said, these are real thin steaks. Oh man, it smells so good. That's an amazing smell. Don't it smell good, Khalil? That's an amazing smell. Oh my God, we got the original. Like I said, this is the original right here. As you guys know, it's the holy mango, which is a deep green organic mango. Deep green organic mango. We got our blazing gunpowder, our blackening. I like to say we're shooting from the hips with this one. We're gonna go international with this one. This is Abbiamo Italiano, meaning we love Italian. It's an amazing, amazing Italian blend. I mean, you can put them on anything, like I said, your favorite fish, chicken, ribs, steaks, pastas. Oh, and one more thing. For all my vegan-friendly guys, this one, the holy mango, is also vegan-friendly. Like I said, it's a deep green organic mango. I mean, it's incredible. Anything you want to put them on. I just flipped it over just now. Look at that. It's coming along real great. That is looking fantastic. What do you think, Khalil?
It looks amazing.
Oh, man. Once again, you heard my sous chef said it's looking amazing. It's looking great. You want to get a little char on it. But that is looking so good. So amazing. Look at the crust. Get in there, Khalil. Look at that crust. That's that original blend. The original. We even put this on popcorn. Big night, me and my wife. Sit back, relax. Watch a great movie. It's amazing. Our steaks are done. I'm gonna take a piece of it. Man, that smells so good, y'all. That smells good. Look at that. Just right. Just right. Wow, that looks good. That's real good. Look at that. That's amazing. That's incredible. That's the original blend. Amazing original blend, right, Khalil? That's amazing. Folks, look. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. The Stovetop Yum Yum. You know the motto. Let's go.